Hi, this is Alex with GeekSeller. In this video, I'll go over how to connect ShipStation and GeekSeller. Log into your GeekSeller account and go to Extensions, ShipStation to view this page. On the left, you'll see step-by-step instructions, and on the right, you'll see a breakdown of the flow of information between Jet, GeekSeller, and ShipStation. At the top, you'll see this message. Incorrect adjustments made on this page may result in errors that will disrupt the flow of information from GeekSeller to Jet and ShipStation. This disruption will affect your orders, resulting in delayed shipping or cancellation. If you are unsure of how to make adjustments, please contact GeekSeller via chat or email us at support@geekseller.com. We're always happy to help you with this. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us. So, step 1 is to select which node you want to connect with ShipStation. Orders coming into selected nodes will be sent to your ShipStation account. You can see that we have 2 FBM and 2 FBA nodes here in our account. So I'm going to assume that our FBA nodes are already connected with Amazon. So the flow is Jet, GeekSeller, Amazon, back to GeekSeller, and then back to Jet. So there's no need to add ShipStation into the mix because it's already taken care of. So we're going to connect our FBM nodes. You can also create a new node if necessary. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to assume that we don't need to create a new node. Notice that we've selected multiple nodes. You can select one or all that aren't connected with Amazon. Now, that's step 1. Step 2 is to log into your ShipStation account and get your API keys and insert them in the fields below. So you can see there's a guide to where to access this information, and we'll do that now. So I'm already logged in here. We can go to this gear for account settings. Then we go to account, API settings, and then you'll want to regenerate your API keys. You can see that we now have new keys, and we'll copy them over and paste them into the appropriate fields in GeekSeller. The API keys are what grants access to ShipStation. So if your API keys are incorrect, there's no way for GeekSeller to communicate with ShipStation. So these keys are extremely important. They're basically like what unlocks the door between GeekSeller and ShipStation. So it's very important for these to be accurate. So I'm going to go down and save my progress as soon as I have those entered. It's very important. So if at any point you, for any reason, regenerate these keys, you have to be sure that they match in ShipStation and GeekSeller. Otherwise, there will be no connection. And that's always something you can check as well. If you are seeing an interruption in the communication, always check your API keys. So once that's done, we can move on to step 3. Log into your ShipStation account, go to Settings, Selling Channels, Store Setup, and connect to Store or Marketplace. And you can see we have a guide here. Your XML username and password are generated by GeekSeller. There should already be information here in your account that we have provided for you. That's information that you're going to enter from GeekSeller to ShipStation. So let's go check that out now. We're already in the settings area, so we can just go to Selling Channel, Store Setup, and we're going to connect a new store. So you can scroll all the way down to find GeekSeller, and here we'll need to enter our XML username and password. So we'll just pull that right from where we are in GeekSeller here and paste it in. Then we're going to test our connection. It looks like it was successful. Store configuration looks good. We're ready to connect your GeekSeller store. Click Connect below. So we'll click Connect. Now we have to name the store. So I'm going to name this one GeekSeller ShipStation Setup and save my changes. So now we can see that that has been set up correctly. Step 4 is to enable automatic submission of orders to ShipStation. So if this box is not connected, there is a way to connect it via ShipStation, but this is the most straightforward way to do it. So we do recommend that you always keep this box checked. Now you'll notice that the store that I just named is not here. If I hit save, it'll refresh the page, and then I can scroll down, and now this is the one that I just did. So GeekSeller ShipStation setup, save configuration. Now everything is good to go. If you ever have any questions about your connection between GeekSeller and ShipStation, please don't hesitate to reach out to GeekSeller for help with this. We are more than happy to address any concerns you may have, and we really appreciate you working with us and working with ShipStation. Thank you.